Hi kids, Mrs. Herbert here. I'm going to explain how to do PE at home, and I hope that it's a little bit more fun than it was last year. You have a PE log sheet that looks similar with a lot of options, but there's also an online option that I want to show you. So here you go. Okay, so here is our sheet that's going to go home with you in your packet. When you're here, you don't need to log your activities that you're doing, but you have a spot right here for at home day 1 and at home day 2 where you can put what you did down for me. There is a warm up and a cool down routine, and then there is a bunch of things listed that you could do. If you'd rather go to the online option, there's a link at the bottom that you can get linked to, and it's going to take you to something that looks just like this. So what you're going to do first is you're going to click on me, and I'll explain what all the new activities are for the week, and then just make sure you log it on your sheet to turn in. So I'm just going to give you a couple options here. This one, if I click on this bucket, there is a PE cup challenge. So it kind of goes through what you need. You need a plastic cup and you need something made into a ball. And then if you click the arrow, it will take you to the first challenge, tossing it and catching it, and you can keep going through. The green arrows take you to the next challenge. And then if you end up wanting to go back, the yellow arrow will take you back to the previous challenge. And there's quite a few in there. Some of them might be a little bit tricky. Another option is the one that we're doing in class, and this is called Riverbank, and you should know how to play after you come in with me for the first week, but the instructions are here if you need them. And here's the level 1, level 2, you can click on all of them. And then if you want to get back to the first page, make another option. Jump rope. So there's some jump rope ideas here. If you happen to have a jump rope at home, you could always use a piece of a rope or try and make your own jump rope if you don't have one. If you really like to do the aerobic workouts, you could click on the aerobic step, and I've loaded some different videos here for you to do a workout at home. And then the arrow will get you back to a different choice. Let's say you really liked to do dancing. I've put on some different dance videos on here, some dance along, and it'll teach you how to do them. You can see I'm doing a real cool dance move here. And go back. If you would like to do some cup stacking at home, remember they don't have to be the fancy cups. You can use any plastic cup. And if you've never done cup stacking before, you can click here, or this will go over your 3x3, 3-6-3, and this cycle. I know some of you really enjoyed that last year. Some of you enjoyed doing some of the yoga mindfulness videos, so I put quite a few on here to choose from if that's something that you would enjoy. And let's say you just want to go outside and take a walk with your family. I put on some different timers on here for you if that's what you would like to do, or maybe you just want to go out and ride your bike. I know I enjoy going for a bike ride. So there's lots of options on there. Remember, you can always click on me to get your information for the week and then make your choices. Don't forget to make sure to fill out your log sheet and turn it into your teacher so that you get the points for the days that you're not here. If you have any questions, you can ask me when you get here, or you guys can send me an email. See you soon.